Hey, welcome. Thank you so much for grabbing my activity dashboard template. I wanted to record this quick video to give you a really fast rundown of how to use this template for your business. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make a copy of the master. You won't be able to use it because it is locked. So you're going to want to make a copy of it. You could either make a copy for the first, 3 months or for the first quarter or month to month as you go, whatever's going to work best for your business. I went ahead and created the first three. Okay. So in this case, we're going to go in and plug in data for December. But just so that you know, if this is, for example, when you get this, it's going to be defaulted to January of 24. So what you do to update this, so if you get this in November, all you have to do is double click here and select November, and it's going to autofill the entire month for you. Okay. You don't manually enter this here. You'll get an error message. You just double tap and select the month. So for December, you're going to go with December. For February, for January, and so on and so forth. Okay, it'll auto populate the entire month for you. Okay, so let's go back to January or December. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and start plugging some data in. What I want you to do is keep an eye on the month to date activity snapshot. This, anything in yellow, you do not update. You don't touch these sheets because these sheets are based on formulas. Okay, and I'll show you why these say error in a bit. Right. So as you go about your day, maybe you plug in your data as you end your day. Maybe you plug it in at the end of the week. So let's just plug in Friday, December 1st data. Let's just say that I did 124 dials and I contacted 15 leads and I was able to book 3 appointments. What you see happened here is that it starts to populate the data for you so that you could see month to date what your contact rate looks like, how many appointments you've scheduled, how many contacts you've made, how many dials you've made months to date. Let's just say for Saturday, I was only able to make 67 dials. I was able to get a hold of 5 people. I booked 1 appointment. All right. It's going to update this information. All right. And so on and so forth. You can plug this in. You can sit down once a week and fill this data out because maybe you keep it on a sheet of paper and you tally it out. And then at the end of the week, you can fill the spreadsheet out or you can fill that out at the end of the day. This will always update for you. These two will say 0 because these two will pull from your weekly appointment metrics. So at the end of the week, let's just say that at the end of the week, Saturday was the end of the week. Let's just say I was able to book 4 appointments. So for week 1, I booked 4 appointments. And you could see here that it's still pulled from the 4, right? But how many did you sit? I sat down with 1. My sit rate automatically updated. So I have a 25% sit rate. And I was able to submit 1 application for $13.45. Okay. So you could see here that it's updating your sit rate and how many apps you've submitted, how many sits you've had for the week. And that's it for the activity dashboard. You also have some takeaways here for the week so that you can maybe note any information that's relevant that you might want to review at the end of the month. If you do these quarterly, you can always sit back and review your notes for the previous quarter and give you some insights as to what maybe you could improve on or what you did right and so on and so forth. All right. If you have any questions, I am always available for support. And again, thank you so much.